Lever is a rigid bar which is capable of turning about a point. The point about which the lever can turn is called the fulcrum. Students, with the help of a lever, we can lift a heavy object by applying a force. The object required to be moved or lifted is called load. The force applied to move or to lift the object is called effort. A crowbar is capable of turning about a point. A crowbar is an example of a lever. A crowbar is used to lift a heavy box. In this lever, the heavy box is called the load, represented by L, and the effort, represented by E, is applied with the help of our hand. Students, the fulcrum, that is F, is the support needed to turn the lever. Depending on the position of load, effort, and fulcrum, a lever can be classified into three types, namely the first class lever, the second class lever, and the third class lever. The type of lever in which fulcrum is situated between load and effort is called first class lever. You surely have played a seesaw with your friend. Students, a seesaw is an example of first class lever. In a seesaw, you sit on one end, while your friend sits on the other end. Here, you are acting as effort, while your friend is acting as load. The seesaw rotates about a fixed point, which is in between the load and the effort. This is the fulcrum. Similarly, you can see fulcrum in between load and effort in scissors, pliers, crowbar, beam balance, isn't it? Hence, these are some examples of first-class lever. The type of lever in which load is in between effort and fulcrum is called second-class lever. Students, have you seen a wheelbarrow? It is also a simple machine used for carrying load. Here you can see load in between fulcrum and effort, isn't it? It is an example of second-class lever. Similarly, while using simple machines like punching machine, bottle opener, nutcracker, claw hammer, and so on. We put load in between effort and fulcrum. Hence, these are the examples of second-class lever. The type of lever in which the effort is between load and the fulcrum is called third-class lever. While using forceps, we apply effort in between fulcrum and load, isn't it? Similarly, using spade, sugar tongs, arm, knife, broom, and so on, we apply effort in between fulcrum and load. Therefore, these are examples of third-class lever.